So here is a list of 5 most asked questions in a cabin crew interview. How to answer these questions, what are the things that you should keep in mind before answering these questions, and what are the things that you should never say in an interview. I'm Lavanya and you're watching The Lavanya Tube. This video will be all about 5 questions that are most important and that are often asked in a cabin crew interview. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel. Plus, I also had a bonus point for all the ladies in the last of this video. So stay tuned for more information.
So there are some of the few basic questions जो हर बार इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं, लाइक व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू, व्हाई डिड यू चूज दिस जॉब, व्हाट इज द रीजन, हु इंस्पायर यू, व्हाट डू यू थिंक. ये क्वेश्चंस आपसे क्यों पूछते हैं इंटरव्यूअर्स, बार बार सेम क्वेश्चंस क्यों पूछते हैं? नॉट बिकॉज दे वांट टू नो व्हाई यू वांट टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू, बिकॉज इसका आंसर ऑलमोस्ट सब सेम देते हैं, दैट आई वांट टू ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड, आई वांट टू मेक मनी एंड आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई वांट टू डू दैट. दे लिसन द सेम आंसर्स बट स्टिल दे चूज वन फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ देम. द मेन रीजन इज कि वो क्वेश्चंस इसलिए पूछते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू सी दैट हाउ क्रिएटिव यू आर विद योर आंसर्स. आप अपने जवाब कितने ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव तरीके से दे सकते हैं, हाउ डिफरेंट यू आर इन मेकिंग अ स्टेटमेंट. आप कितना क्लियरली किसी बात को एक क्रिएटिव वे में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दे आस्क यू एंड एवरी टाइम द क्वेश्चंस रिमेन्स द सेम. In this video, we will be looking up for some of the creative measures how we can answer our questions.
Question number 1. Why do you want to become a cabin crew? Instead of saying, I love traveling, I want to make money, you can also say that this job fascinates me because this provides a lot of opportunities. It provides opportunity to see the world. It will make me independent so that I can help my family. I can stand different from the girls of my age. I wanted to be a different one because I'm choosing aviation because this helps in women empowerment. As you can see, the Indigo Airlines has its tagline, Girl Power. So you can use that in your advance. Like अगर आप ये बोलते हो कि this company has a tagline, Girl Power, and I'm so much fascinated with it, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I wanted to be empowered and I wanted to set an example for for the girls of my family, of my society, and I wanted to be that empowered person जिसे देख करके लोग एक example समझे, एक example set करना चाहती हूँ मैं. Then definitely this answer is gonna be very creative. The way you answer this question is gonna be really very creative for you. You can add few more things to this answer and it will be it will create a great impression. Question number 2. Who inspires you the most to be a cabin crew? Now when this question comes, a lot of us go into a deep thought कि हम इसका जवाब क्या दें, क्योंकि हमने cabin crew बनने का decision इसलिए दिया because we have seen so many videos on YouTube and Instagram and we think that the lifestyle is really good, and even the interviewers know कि हम इस job को क्यों करना चाहते हैं because we are fond of the lifestyle of a cabin crew. But the way you answer this question makes a difference. You can always answer this question by saying, I am a lot inspired by the life of Neerja Bhanot. She's been one of the best cabin crews of India and she has set an example for a lot of us who wanted to be in aviation. She was passionate about her job. She was passionate about her country, and taking inspiration from her, even I wanted to serve my country, my people in the situation of an emergency. I wanted to take this company on a sky high, and I am so much inspired by this job because this job is not about me. This job is also about people, how to serve the people and how to make the life of other people better. Question number 3. Why do you think we should hire you? Now when this question comes up to us, we always say that आपको मुझे इसलिए hire करना चाहिए because I am good, I have good speaking skills, or blah blah blah. But there is always a creative way to answer this question. You can always answer this question by saying you should hire me because I am very passionate about my job and I think that I am a very responsible person. This job of cabin crew is full of responsibilities. This job is not all about traveling and lifestyle. This job is also about how to take care of people on board, how to be safe, how to be diligent in any of the situation, how to be active crew member, and also this job play a very important role about safety of the aircraft and the people. I think you should hire me because I see this job as an opportunity to serve people, and I think that I would be a best example of a cabin attendant for all the aspirants if you hire me. Question number 4. Why do you think that this airline, suppose you are going for an Indigo Airlines, and if they ask you, why do you think Indigo Airlines, there are a lot of airlines in the industry, but why do you think that Indigo is the best company for you to be a cabin crew? So you can always answer this question by saying that I am so much inspired by the tagline of the company that says girl power, and I too believe in women empowerment, and that's why I think that this company will provide me the best opportunity, because I wanted to be an example for all the ladies out there. I wanted to set an example for all the women, all the girls out there, and I even to believe in empowerment. Question number 5. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? So this could be a decision making question, because इसका answer we can be like, क्योंकि हमने सोचा नहीं होता ना that where do we wanted to see ourselves in next 5 years, और हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि I haven't yet decided or something like that. You can always answer this question by saying I wanted to in next 5 years or next few years I wanted to see myself as a aspiration, as an example of one of the best cabin crew member of this airline. I wanted to inspire all the ladies, all the aspirants who are here, and I want to create a difference about this job. There are a lot of people who think that being a cabin crew is not a big deal, or it is a job that that doesn't comes with a lot of dignity. I wanted to prove that this job has a lot to do with safety, and this job has a lot to do with the empowerment of women. This job is a very big opportunity for me, and I wanted to be the best version of myself in the next few years with this job and with this airline. So ladies, I hope that now it is very much clear to you, but I would also like to say one more thing, that किसी भी सवाल का जवाब हम कैसे देते हैं ये इससे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. It makes a lot of difference that how we answer a question, because वही same question interviewers बार बार पूछते हैं, और हर बार same question पूछते हैं just because they wanted to see that how good you are in your communication skills. कुछ सवाल होते हैं जिनके जवाब सेम ही होते हैं, बट वही सवाल का बार बार वैसा ही जवाब सुनते सुनते वो भी थक जाते हैं. वो भी सोचते हैं कि कोई तो इंटरव्यूअर, कोई तो कैंडिडेट आए जो कुछ ऐसा जवाब दे जो अलग हो, जो थोड़ा क्रिएटिव हो, या जो अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करे, दैट हाउ गुड ही इज इन मेकिंग स्टेटमेंट्स. बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर अ कैबिन क्रू, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पैसेंजर्स हु विल आस्क यू अ सेम क्वेश्चन. हर फ्लाइट में आपसे सेम क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे पैसेंजर्स से, बट हाउ यू आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस मेक्स अ डिफरेंस. बार बार एक ही सवाल का जवाब देते देते हम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, बट स्टिल व्हेन यू आंसर अ क्वेश्चन विद क्रिएटिविटी एंड दैट मेक्स एन अ डिफरेंट इम्पैक्ट, दैट लीव्स एन इम्प्रेशन, मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. Plus one bonus point for all the ladies who wanted to be a cabin crew. I would just say a thing that trust me, this will really help you. I think that whenever you are going for a cabin crew interview, make sure that you take the initiative to be the first. Trust me, it always happen that जब आप शुरुआत में इंटरव्यू देने जाते हो, मतलब when you go in the first 2, 3, 5 batches, this makes a difference, because धीरे धीरे there are a lot of candidates, around 500, 600 candidates आते हैं इंटरव्यू देने, और फिर सेम क्वेश्चंस पूछते पूछते इंटरव्यूअर्स भी बोर हो जाते हैं, they get tired. So instead of going in the last, always try to be the first, always try to be in the first 5 batches. This will increase your chances of getting selected. Even I remember, मैंने ये चीज़ देखी है, even जब भी मैं भी इंटरव्यू देने जाती थी, तो जो फर्स्ट 5-6 बैचेस होते थे उससे लड़कियों का सिलेक्शन ज़्यादा होता था. जो लास्ट के बैचेस होते हैं, धीरे धीरे हर बैच से एक लड़की, या शायद पूरे बैच में से किसी को भी सिलेक्ट नहीं किया, बट जो इनिशियल बैचेस होते हैं उसमें से एक बैच में से 3 लड़कियां 4 लड़कियां सिलेक्ट होती थी. एंड इवन आई माई सेल्फ always went in the first few batches. This really makes a difference.